Hello friends, today we'll be making chicken 65. So for that I am taking about 250 grams of chicken cubes. These are small pieces chicken cubes. The pieces are from the chicken breast. So in this chicken we are going to add about half a teaspoon of salt. Then if you want to add, you can also add Ajinomoto, but I usually avoid Ajinomoto. Then you are going to add about 1 teaspoon of ginger. We'll also be adding 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. We'll be adding about half a teaspoon of black pepper powder into this. Mix this mixture very well. Add 1 by 4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 3 by 4 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can add Kashmiri chili powder. It gives a fantastic red color. To this we will be adding about 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour. So into this we will be adding about 1 by 4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Then we will be adding about 1 egg to this mixture. Then we will mix this well. On top of this, we will be adding maida or all-purpose flour, about half a teaspoon of, because this will act as a binding agent. We'll mix this very well. Now you keep this chicken for marination for about 6 to 7 hours. If you are in a hurry, you can make chicken 65 even like this, but if it is marinated proper, it tastes way better. So in a frying pan, we will be taking oil in order to deep fry our chicken. Once the oil is heated, we are going to add our chicken pieces into it. We'll put the flame to low to medium, and we will be frying this for about 5 minutes on each side. So after 5 minutes I will toss this over and then fry for another 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes is over, we will remove the lid, and then we are going to toss this over. Now we will cook this on this side of the chicken for about another 5 minutes, and then we can proceed with our preparation. So after 5 minutes on the other side of chicken, we are going to open this, and it looks like the chicken have been fried, and these are looking very soft. Now I am going to remove this onto a plate with paper tissues, so that the paper tissues absorb excess amount of oil. Now we will remove excess oil from this and keep about 3 tablespoons of oil in the frying pan. Now into this we will be preparing our sauce for the chicken 65. Into this, first of all, we will be adding 1 tsp of mustard seeds, 1 tsp of cumin seeds, and the flame is about low to medium. To this we will be adding 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and chopped garlic. We'll be adding about 1 tsp of garlic paste. Then you are going to mix this well. To this we'll be adding about 5 chopped green chilies. Add 5 to 6 chopped curry leaves. Add half tsp of pepper powder. This is black pepper powder. Reduce the flame. Add about 1 tsp of red chili powder. Keep the flame on low flame, because we do not want to burn all these spices. To this we will be adding about 1 by 4 teaspoon of salt. Then we will be adding about 1 tsp of hot sauce. Once this is done, you can also add Ajinomoto if you like, but in order to keep the recipe healthy, I do not use Ajinomoto. Then to this we will be adding about 1 teaspoon of yogurt. We'll be cooking this for about 1 minute. Now you can increase the flame because we have increased the moisture content in the spices. To this we will be adding a little of red color which is soaked in water. We'll saute this for about 1 minute. Reduce the flame. Now we are going to add chicken into this, the one that we have just fried. Now we are going to increase the flame. We'll give this a mix once or twice. We do not want to break the chicken pieces, so be careful while you are mixing. Now after tossing chicken pieces for a while, then now we are going to keep the flame to very low, and then we will cover the lid and cook this for about 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid, and then you are going to add lime juice or lemon juice if you like the sour taste. Give it a mix once. Our preparation is ready. Thank you for watching the videos. Please like, share and comment any recipes that you would like us to make for you, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
जाना वे जाना वे मोहब्बत करते रहना रे हम मौसम चाहे जैसा भी हमेशा सब्सक्राइब रहना रे जाना वे कमेंट लाइक करते रहना रे हम मौसम चाहे कैसा भी हमेशा सब्सक्राइब रहना रे हो